All right, y'all, here we go. So you're either gonna think I'm a mean person, I have no heart, or you agree with me, okay? In my choice, my decision, all right? And why I choose my quotes, you know what I'm saying? This is about discounting, okay? Giving customers a discount, all right? So off the bat, I don't give a customer a discount, okay? Because I'm already giving them a quote, a good quote, okay? A competitive quote, you know what I'm saying? Like for myself with the other lawn care people, okay? Bottom line is $60 flat rate for a house, okay? And then you got $70, $80, all right? So this is about one of my customers I picked up this season. We agreed at $100, you know what I'm saying? And then because it was just too much in the backyard to do. And after that, I called them up. I said, you know what? We want to go ahead and lower it to $90. And they're like, okay, great. So the first week, the little old lady was okay. You know what I mean? It's a little old lady. You know what I mean? Her husband used to mow the yard every day. I mean, every week faithfully. He passed away. You know what I mean? She made me know that off the bat. You know what I mean? When I met her. Okay. So she was real happy with $90. And then I did the yard, front and back, edge of driveway, the street curb, the walkway, the back patio, mowed the front and back, string trim along the house and the fence. All right, and there are a lot of, you have to do a lot of leaf pine needle blowing in the backyard because she has like a lot of pine, pine trees. Anyway, y'all, what do you call it? So I told her, hey, you know what? We're gonna go and lower it down to $80. You know what I mean? That's reasonable. It only takes me like 45 minutes to do. You know, and she keeps on bringing up. So she keeps on bringing up she's a Christian. You know what I mean? Keep in mind, I'm a Christian too. I'm born again. Gave my life to Jesus back in 1997. I had my ups and downs in my walk with God because stupid choices I made. You know, being in this world. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna tell you what right now, y'all. When you're living in the world, when you're sinning, a backslidden Christian is the most miserable person on this earth. You know what I mean? I just thank God for His grace and mercy. He's a loving, forgiving God. You know, and I'm back on path, man. I'm back on a narrow road, y'all. You know what I mean? By the grace and mercy and the power of the blood of Jesus. Anyway, that's just personal, y'all. So, just want to share that with y'all. You know what I mean? What God did in my life. So she keeps on telling me she's a Christian, you know, and would you give me a discount? I said, I'm sorry, ma'am. You know, the lowest we go is 80. It's a fixed rate. Because, okay, well, if you're a Christian, I told her I was a Christian. You know, we were at one of our conversations. If you're a Christian, you should give me a discount. You know, ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am, I can't. She goes, okay. So she gives me a check. So I like her because she pays right there with the check. You know what I mean? Like right when I'm done. She's always bringing this up. You know what I mean? Like, you're gonna give me a discount, you know, now? I'm like, no, ma'am, I'm sorry. So today, she comes, I drive up and she's pulling in, you know what I mean, in her vehicle. And I go, hello, ma'am. Hi, I'm just here to do on fault maintenance. And she's like, okay. And I made a comment, you know what I mean? Wow, you know, you have a really nice vehicle, you know, it's so clean. She goes, yeah, you know, this person comes and details it, you know what I mean, like every week. He does a real good job, and he charges real good too, you know what I mean? He's very reasonable. Like, well, that's good. Does he pressure wash too, your driveway? Because I pressure wash. Well, if he wants to, man, he'll do whatever I tell him to do. Like, okay, well, I could do it for you if he's not available, ma'am. Well, okay, you know. So, when are you gonna give me a discount? I'm like, I'm sorry, ma'am. The lawn care service, ma'am, is a fixed rate. I'm still charging the same. It's $80 for fall maintenance. You know, I'm blowing the pine needles, the leaves, and I'm mulching them. And excess pine needles, I'm blowing them around the trees, ma'am. You know, it's just a fixed rate. Well, you gotta talk to her boss about that. I'm like, okay, ma'am. You know, well, I'm gonna go get started, all right? And so she leaves with like a little like bitter face in her house, and so if you see that thumbnail, all right, that's the yard, that's the backyard I did, y'all. Okay, that's a lot of blowing and mulching I did, all right? So that's back and forth with the zero turn a couple of times, all right? You know what I'm saying? So that's wear and tear on the mower. I just replaced 2 spindles. If you saw the video before this, you know what I mean? Like I just did a video yesterday about replacing my spindles. That's wear and tear, y'all, on your equipment, okay? You know what I'm saying? The blades, the spindles, you know what I mean? More fuel because you're making multiple passes. You know what I mean? So what do y'all think, y'all? Do y'all think I'm a mean person? I don't have a heart? Oh yeah, and she also said, when she was talking about these pressure washing guys, I mean the detailing guys, yeah, you know, they're real good people because they know how to take care of a widow. Like, well, they're good people, man. They're real nice, you know. So she also said that, y'all. So what do y'all think, man? You think I'm being mean? I should give her a discount, you know? Tell me, what do you think? All right, this is your side hustle, this is your business. Would you give a person a discount? You know what I'm saying? I mean, I do mow some yards for free, y'all, if they really need a mow, you know what I mean? You know, for some veterans, you know what I'm saying? Because they're physically disabled, they can't do it, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, take note, I do that, y'all, okay? Off this, you know what I mean? You know, so I do have a heart, y'all. Me, I think I have a heart. But you think I should give this person a discount because she's a widow? You know? I mean, you saw how many leaves and pine needles I blew and I had a mulch, you know what I mean? Is $80? Is that a good quote? Not just the backyard, okay? I didn't show you the front yard. All right, I didn't take pictures of the front yard, all right? I should have for y'all, but I didn't, so. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. I'm not venting. This is my what happened to me today, y'all, my experience, all right? Hey, I'm sharing you my experience, y'all. Give me your thoughts. What do you think? Hey, have you left a comment yet or subscribe? Hit that like button. Hey, if you haven't hit that like button, please hit it, y'all. Hey, see right there, move that finger to subscribe and hit the subscribe. I would really appreciate it, okay? I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I've been doing this YouTube for 2 years now, okay? I don't know how people do it, man. They get 1,000 subscribers like within like 10 videos, you know what I mean? But hey, I'm having fun making videos, y'all. This is for y'all. This is my experience in the side hustle and the lawn care business when I first started, y'all. My do's and my don'ts, my how-tos, all right, my trials and errors. I hope you're learning from these videos I'm posting. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless. Like and subscribe.